Hey, welcome. Got a Real1 frame kit here from Realacc. Gonna have a quick look at it and see what's what before some parts from a refugee quad go in it and see what it's like as a racer. Elephant in the room. It's a career rear Talon clone, isn't it? It's a half carbon, half aluminium hybrid sort of frame with vertical arms rather than the horizontal planer, obviously, so it carves through the air. Instruction manual, rubbish old style Velcro strap, might be useful for tying it onto a bag, I suppose. Hardware kit, looks like it's got some nylon hardware in there as well as steel cap head bolts. Bag of carbon. This is a spare arm that I picked up, like everything. Nice to have a spare, £2 I think it was. But this is on offer for $20 something at the moment, hence why I picked it up. And it's going to be part of the Simulator crossover series. You can find the playlist in the top right up here. In essence, I'm going to make a quad that parallels its virtual counterpart and see how they act. But enough of that, let's have a look at the quad. All the frame parts laid out, looks quite straightforward to put together. These parts here are for the top cage, and they are held in, well, could call them bushings or collets really. But the arms are quite thick, just over 4mm wide, but in places, at the thickest part, are 14mm, and at the modes amount, they're 10mm, so, or 12.5. No way that you're going to break these. The strut braces are 2.5mm, and the side plates are 2mm. The centre plate dogs in to the aluminium parts, seems quite secure. 20 by 20, 30.5 by 30.5, with a bit of ventilation and space to mount your battery strap, I assume. You might have to pad it up with something. Obviously it's going to be recessed, so you don't want to put too much force on your battery mounted on these bits. These just sit straight on the arms like so, and they're threaded on one side. I'm going to mock it up, see what it weighs, and put the refugee parts from my C240 in it. Okay, it went together really well. The instructions were concise and vague in the same breath, but follow them loosely and you'll be absolutely fine. I'll use my discretion, Loctited all the base frame major components, the pillars and everything, except the for the attach and detach the cage. Just take the two rears off and the whole cage will lift up. Well, I'm going to weigh it quick. That's 109 grams. It doesn't feel 100 grams heavy, but obviously it is. But with that 100 grams, it feels rock solid. There's no way I'm going to break the main part of this, the base. The top I'm a bit in two minds about, especially these back legs. I mean, we've milled out at least a third of the material on this. Crashing with a bit of bad luck, you might sort of take this out. But these will be a couple of quid, no doubt. All in all, really happy with it. Can't wait to stick the innards of my C240 on it. It's an all-in-one stack. It's the only all-in-one stack I've got. Obviously I don't want to foul up the arms with ESCs and stuff. I want to run just motor wires on the top and take advantage of what these arms give and benefit for flight and so forth. I think the housing for a camera will take a full-size camera, although it's meant for micros by the looks of it. Say a Realacc Swift, you might have to just shave a little bit off the mounting nubs to get it in there. But then again, the mounting on the camera is a bit how you doing, isn't it? All in all, really happy. Plenty of hardware left over. Looking forward to giving it a rip around and seeing what's what. Any questions as usual? Happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.
You Billy. Hey.